Hello again, everybody. Harry Boxer, the technical trader at thetechtrader.com. It's Monday, June the 10th. These are the charts of the day. Well, it was a mixed day on Wall Street, but there's always stocks making moves. Let's take a look at BNAI. It's a chart of the day because although it didn't have much movement, it was up 12%. It jumped to 455, up 48 cents. The high was 523. But you can see over the last week and a half, it's formed after exploding literally from $1.10 to 843. Almost an eightfold increase in 3 sessions. It's pulled back down for a week and a half. It consolidated in a wedge. A breakout above the 5.5 3/4 range could explode it into the 8, 9, 10 zone. Keep an eye on that one. CRZ, cores. Breakaway gap ran for 3 days and now consolidating in a mini flag in here. Here's what the hourly looks like. Very bullish chart pattern. Good momentum. We might see the stock come back and make a move very quickly. So I'm going to take a close look at this one. Here, I'll move over. Let's call it 8.5 with volume. Could we get this into the 10 range? Here's the chart with some more on a daily basis. Great momentum. CRDL broke out of a coil and is accelerating. You can see at the highest level the stock has reached in 3-4 years. There's a big gap up here. I now have a target around 3 3/4, 4.5. CRDL, Credo, has exploded last week, pulled back, and then it started to run again. Today was a good day for it, up another $1.95 or 7%. It's through my target. It may accelerate up here. This is a new all-time high. Not going to be surprised to see low 30s on it short term. ENVX, breakaway gap 2 months ago or a month and a half ago, and it's been rising. It formed a coil and broke out of that coil today, jumping about 8.5%. Line was a solid 6.5 million. My targets now are 13 and 15. Swing trade for solar snapped back today, 12 3/4 points or 5%. It still remains in a flag, but if it gets through it, my target's 3 1/4 and 355.60. GERN broke out big time on Friday and backed off, and then reversed right back up again to gain about another 9% today. Line was heavy at 39 million. I'm looking for 6 and 7. INOD exploded a month ago and has been a rising channel ever since today, an engulfing reversal day. Bullish one up $1.54, 10%. I'm now looking for 18.5 for the next move. IPW, very similar to BNAI with the big explosive move that took it from literally from 40 cents to almost $4, and a tenfold increase. Did about a 0.3, almost a 50% retracement, popped, and now it's wedging right near the apex. A breakout of this could send us into the 456 zone. Stay tuned. JMIA today was a flyer as it ran through a double top on a big engulfing reversal day of 9.4 million. I'm looking for more. 9.5 and 11 next. LFLY exploded for 2 days and backed off and reversed off the moving average today. I like that. My targets are 4 and 6. Layered Superfoods continues to look great, coming out of a little 3-day wedge. That's what it looks like. This stock could fly. I'm not going to be surprised to see 6 or 7 on it. MBLY for 3-4 days now has gone vertical, 25 and change to 33. Lateral price resistance. Next target, 37 and 39. Oscr snapped back out of a pullback falling channel. Maybe starting a new leg. It held the trend line near the 50 and the prior high. It reversed with an engulfing reversal day. It left a big tail yesterday and today back up again. If it gets to 20 3/4, 21, right to there, I'd look for a move to 25. Prime Medicine, after pulling back following a big move, is coming on again and his resistance just ahead at 8 1/4. Through that, my target's 10. RDW broke out of a 3-week flag and spiked up $1.04, 20% today. This is key long-term move. My next target 8.5 3/4. Skechers, new all-time high today, 74.90, exploding up 208. My next target is 79 and 85. Finally, VIRC broke out of a 6-month coil, popped yesterday on Friday, and then today had a big follow-through day, up 233, almost 18%. I now can envision this stock being 20 and 23. And let's look at some of the really hot stocks at detectradio.com. Good night, everybody.